nice and early.
It's not even 7 o'clock yet.
It's 10 to 7.
10 to 7.
And we're heading over to Monte Carlo.
To collect our car.
Yeah, so we're going to rent a car and see where we go.
Yeah, where we're going to go. Who knows?
So, yeah, we've rented from Avis at Monte Carlo.
Which is literally next door, so it's hardly any effort to go over there and collect the car.
No, last time we rented from Hertz at Cosmopolitan, which was fine. We think Avis might actually be even closer for us.
So we'll give them a go and we'll let you know how it goes.
Let's go. This is the lovely chilled part of the strip.
This wasn't like it wasn't like this last night.
It's not like any other time we've been.
No, it's really quiet.
Monte Carlo is under a lot of construction right now.
Yeah.
So
I think it's being rebranded at the moment, so it's being overhauled completely.
Yeah. So we've got to go in like a weird
back entrance that doesn't look like a
typical. There's the entrance there, casino entrance. Because
it's just a little sort of made up entrance there. Right over there.
Look at that.
So this is an interesting way into the Monte Carlo. Not your normal grand casino entrance.
I can see the machines though.
Yeah, so we know we're going the right way. So Park MGM is what it's going to be coming spring this year.
Spring now?
Spring now, so maybe they're a little bit late. And there's the casino floor.
Now to find Avis.
Now to find Avis, yeah. Avis is just right by the bell desk. Yeah. So we've got our rental.
We have a really helpful lady.
Yeah.
So we are on floor 2, row G, number 16.
Yeah.
And we've got a Santa Fe, did she say? Which I think we've had before.
Toyota something.
Toyota RAV.
Toyota RAV, yeah.
So yeah, really easy process.
Yeah.
We've gone for the fuel option just because we don't want to have to find a gas station in Vegas.
Yeah, it just takes the hassle out.
Yeah, so we can just bring it back empty. Now it's $46.
Yeah,
Like,
just our preference. Yeah. So let's go and find the car. So we found our car.
Oh, we've got Arizona plates.
Arizona plates. RAV4.
That's a nice
Toyota.
car.
Yeah, let's have a little nose round.
So we're just doing our quick inspection of the car. So whenever you get a car, either video it or just check it over, make sure there's nothing damaged. It's a nice car. The as the Americans say, the trunk is quite big. You can get a lot of cases in there if you have one of these elsewhere. And here, the back looks all fine. In here we have a Richard.
Again, driving.
You offered. I'm better at navigating, especially when we're out here.
Yeah.
All looks good, doesn't it?
All looks
Do you want
good.
to start it and see if it works? Yeah, got an engine. It's also got 6,000 something miles on it. 6209. That's not bad. We've got, just check the front over. A little bit, got some bug sprays, but you're gonna have that. No, it looks all good. Right, let's standard American SUVs. We've got a reverse parking camera. Here we go. Have you paid for parking? No, Avis gave us a ticket to get out, right here. Right, let's get out of the car park and we'll come back to you. Got a good view of the New York. We're on our way.
Yeah.
Old driver there, doing well.
Old driver.
Young driver. So we're going to do the Las Vegas sign this morning. Normally that's what we do. If you go there at like 7 AM, there's no one there. You can get great pictures and can't you? It's beautiful. But it's a little bit cloudy today. So we want to do that on a day when it's lovely and sunny.
We've got a couple of sunny days potentially coming up, so I thought, why don't we just save it till then?
So we're going to go to Hoover Dam first. So it's about a 45-minute drive from Vegas. It's a pretty easy drive, isn't it?
It is.
We're going to park up. The visitor centre opens at 9, but the parking opens from 8. So we're not doing any tours or anything today. We're just going to go and have a little wander around and look over the edge.
I'll look over the edge. You probably won't look over the edge.
I'll try and look over the edge. I just have, what's that film where it gets destroyed?
San Andreas.
If you've watched the film San Andreas with The Rock, it gives you a different perspective on walking on the Hoover Dam.
You're never going to watch that film again.
No. So we'll have a little wander on there. And then after that, I think we've got potentially maybe do Red Rock Canyon, which we've done before, or maybe we've got Walmart, and maybe pop to the outlets.
Got a Walmart trip.
Yeah.
Got to do a Walmart trip when you come to the States.
So we're actually moving rooms as well in the hotel. Last night we had a lot of noise issue with the room next door, didn't we?
We did, yeah.
It was crazy. So the hotel have been really good, and they're sorting us out a move today. Yes. And they gave us some spa passes as an apology, even though it's not really their fault. But
it's not their fault. No.
They kind of felt the need to give us something. So we may obviously go back later and make the most of those, because the spa is expensive and it's really nice.
It'd be a shame to let the passes go to waste.
Yeah, when we came here 2 years ago, we went for the spa and it's just so nice. So we'll see. But yeah, we'll take you along. The sun is trying to break through, and you can just see how beautiful this landscape is with the mountains, and yeah, it's absolutely lovely. Sign for the Hoover Dam, 13 miles.
That's gone quite quick.
Yeah, we're not far at all. 20 minutes. Going down a big hill. We're nearly there. A tunnel.
I don't remember a tunnel before.
No. Oh, I remember this bit.
Did your belly go in yet?
Really some canyon country music.
Yeah, there's like music missing.
Past the point of no return, baby, on the summer night. The shot of love and the spark of laughter breathe. The stars align and the month times night burn like a dried out leaf.
Got a security checkpoint now, which is good, keeping everyone safe. Roll down the security checkpoint, all done. They just have a quick look at the vehicle, which is really good, isn't it?
That's really good, yeah.
We are going to drive across it, I think. We should get our first sight of it in a minute. Just down there. That's the Memorial Bridge, which is so high.
Oh, it's making my stomach go just looking at it. It's so high.
I don't think you notice so much when you're on it.
Says you. I think I would.
It's so high. I wish I hadn't thought of that San Andreas film.
Yeah, so do I.
So we're going to get our first sight of the dam now. Just over there. Nothing really prepares you for the scale of it, does it?
It looks a bit slanted, that.
It's always slanted. Okay, so you can park in the main car park here on the left. We're going to drive across the dam because there is free parking on the other side. You can just walk down. And that opens at 8 and it's now 7:55. So the visitor centre opens at 9. We want to drive across the dam.
We want to drive across it.
Here we go. And we are going to go from Nevada into Arizona.
Arizona. The time over there.
So that's Nevada. And then we will cross to Arizona. So we are currently driving over the Hoover Dam.
I've got that scene flooding back now from San Andreas.
Arizona time. So we are just entering Arizona. Our license plate matches, so the car is from Arizona. So it's a nice time to come when it's nice and quiet like this.
Yeah, it's really quiet, isn't it?
So here we officially enter Arizona. The Grand Canyon State welcomes you. I love Arizona. So here you can just park here. Plenty of spaces just here. Oh, don't go off the edge, Rich.
No.
You don't want to put it in park and reverse. Handbrake.
Handbrake on and in park.
Yeah. Here we are.
He's going towards the edge. Don't go too close. I can just see you slipping. So we're just leaving the car for a bit and we're going to walk down to walk over the dam.
Yeah. And we're going to have a look at the Arizona sign.
Yes, which is just coming up here.
Normally they're on the side of a road and you can't really stop and take pictures all the time.
No, it's just nice to walk down and take a picture. Yay, Arizona! The Grand Canyon State welcomes you.
I love Arizona. It's one of my favourite states. Dam.
Yay!
Look at it behind us. So we're just going to walk across it now. Nice
so high.
So high, nice and quiet now.
The sun is beautifully shining on it right now.
It is.
Just on that side, it's going to move around. Oh, don't go too close.
Look how high it is. Probably doesn't look too high on camera, and then you've got the bridge up there.
Jelly legs.
Shall we walk along?
Let's walk along, let's do this.
Oh, I feel a bit queasy.
Luke's not doing too good, are you?
Oh no.
So Luke's noticing the cracks in the floor. Look. They've probably been here years. You don't need to worry. Stop panicking. Oh, he's getting close. Back again. So high. That last shot, I just literally had to get Luke to hold my bag, hold the backpack. I said, "Hold me, because I'm gonna fall."
If you're not good with heights, it is a bit queasy.
Yeah, I'm starting to feel it now.
My legs are like jelly. You went off the stratosphere tower. What are you talking about?
Yeah, but that was a nightmare.
As you pass the compass and the bronze plaques on the canyon wall, continue to the concrete building for more exhibits and information on the Bureau of Reclamation and the Colorado River. Oh, and
so we're heading up a little bit higher to one of the other car parks, see if we can get another better view. Put in here into one of the spaces just here.
Should I go all the way?
Yeah, not all the way. You get great overview looks up here. What overlook views?
Overlook views.
So pretty.
So that's why we were down
Just over
there.
there by that blue car.
Yeah.
High.
Yes, we thought we were high down there, now we're even higher up here.
We had a lot of fun visiting the Hoover Dam, didn't we?
We're back on the road again.
Didn't cost a penny, so you really don't have to pay that $10 parking. You can, there's so much free parking if you come early, and the walk is just, you know, there's nothing.
There's nothing.
It's five, 6 minutes. It's nothing. And now we're heading to Red Rock. So it's about an hour over to Red Rock, but it's kind of in the direction of Vegas, so it's kind of that way. So we'll take you along with us. Red Rock's beautiful.
Very nice, yeah.
We did Red Rock a couple of years ago, so we'll take you along. We never vlogged it, so let's vlog it.
And we're back in Nevada.
Ready?
Arizona, Nevada.
So that was a great little spot for the Nevada sign. Here we go. So we are back on the road, and it's about an hour from Hoover Dam to Red Rock.
So we're about 10 minutes into that drive at the moment.
Yeah, and from Vegas to Red Rock is about 35 minutes, so we're kind of heading in the right direction. So it's it works out quite a good little routing if you rent a car for the day.
Not too bad, yeah.
Yeah, we rented a car through BA for one day on their website. We went for an SUV just for a bit bigger. I think it was about £60 for the day, but you could have got a basic car for about £40 for the day.
It's like nothing.
And that includes all the taxes you need, additional drivers if you're part of the executive club, which you can, is free, just join. So a cheap day out, you know, on your own time, you can stop where you want to stop.
There's lots of stop points, isn't there, along the way?
Yeah.
You can just take some nice scenic shots.
So let's go. Snow on the mountains up there. Just about seeing the snow. That'll be melted very soon. So we're just starting to see some of the red rocks now up ahead.
We're definitely going in the right direction.
We are. We're about 10 minutes away. Really easy drive, isn't it?
Yeah, simple drive.
So we're just coming up to the Red Rock Canyon sign. Over and get your picture there.
Should I go right?
Just here at Red Rock Canyon. Just about to pay to get into Red Rock Canyon. $15.
$15.
So, and then we're in, and then we can just loop around. Here we go. We're in. So we don't want to stop at there's a visitor centre to the left. We're not going to stop there today. Red Rock Canyon, all you do is just drive from stop to stop. And as you go to each one, then you can just pull up and park. We're going to stop at is this one here with the really nice red rocks. Surprise, surprise, Red Rock Canyon. Surprise, surprise. We got a little leaflet as well, all about Red Rock Canyon. Some snakes and big crawlies out in this area. So you can cycle through here. So I think the cost for cyclists was a lot lower. I can't remember what it was, but look at that view.
It's a long way down. Look at that palm tree. Yep.
So we're here at the first stop of the Red Rock Canyon. It's so beautiful.
It really is nice. We've got the weather for it today, haven't we?
You can see all behind us, all the colours. You can walk right down. However brave you want to be. Some people are really brave on the edge of rocks.
Walk all up the rocks and everything. Yeah, some of them go really, really high. So yeah, are we going to be brave enough today?
We're going to go a little bit further down.
We'll go a little bit further.
Plenty of rocks you can stand on to do your photo.
And some people, look at the people up there.
Wow. You can go
They're
right
going
up.
really high.
This is quite far enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna go down there. I'll grab you.
Yep. Let's go up.
On to the next stop. Yes. Nice stop at the first one. Now I'm going to head on to the next stop. So it's nice because you get to experience lots of different kind of views and everything. Another beautiful stop just then. We're now going to head on and see if there's another stop we want to look at. It's a really nice way of doing it.
It is, yeah.
It's just very twirly.
Some of the stops are quite busy today, being a holiday weekend.
Yeah, some stops are busier than others. I think probably the walking route ones. So yeah, plenty of spaces at other ones though. Is this the trailhead one, do we say?
Yeah, the white trailhead, I think it was.
Wild trailhead, look at this. Rich is going to be our tour guide. So I'm guessing a lot of these people have just parked and
gone for a run or a walk.
Because no one around. so calm, and I know you can hear the cars occasionally, but it's really quiet.
It's really quiet apart from that, yeah.
Time visiting Red Rock Canyon, didn't we?
We did. We climbed a few rocks.
Yeah, it's $15 for the whole car. It's a really good value.
You could easily do at least an hour here.
Yeah, a couple. Bring a picnic.
Bring a picnic, yeah.
So we're now heading out and hopefully going to find a Walmart for a little bit of shopping.
A little bit of Walmart shopping.
Attention Walmart shoppers. We're coming.
We are coming.
So we'll take you along with us.
So we are at Walmart.
Walmart.
Ready to do a bit of shopping. Pick up a few bits, won't we?
Have a little look, yeah.
There we go. It's very busy today, but we've got some mini eggs.
Chocolate covered marshmallow eggs.
Chocolate covered marshmallow eggs.
I think you should get some of them for $1.
Is that what they are?
Yeah, $1. Do you want to try some?
Oh, let's try some. They're only $1. So pick some. They actually come in like a egg packet as well. So they've got the caramel M&Ms.
Do you want your caramel M&Ms?
Maybe.
You put them in as a maybe?
Let's put them in as a maybe. In the basket. And then you've got the Reese's Pieces eggs as well. They're more up your street, aren't they?
Yeah.
There he is. I'm creeping up on you. What have you got? Sun cream. Okay. Trolley update. So we've got some mud cakes. So we're just looking at the Pop-Tarts. They've got strawberry milkshake, vanilla milkshake. Oh, I was going to say no. Oh, what about this? Frosted chocolate mocha and vanilla latte. And then they've got some weird ones. They've got Jolly Rancher, watermelon, cherry and green apple. Strange flavours.
Sweet heat Skittles.
Oh, I've not seen those before. What flavours are they?
Blazing mango, lemon spark, fiery watermelon.
They look nice.
We're now heading over towards the premium outlets. I don't think we're going to go in because it's Easter and it's really busy.
It's really busy today.
But we're going to get lunch there, so we're not sure where, but we'll have a look. There's a Chili's there, so we may go there, see what other places there are. In-N-Out Burger's closed today.
We had our hearts set on In-N-Out Burger today.
So we'll try and do that tomorrow. So we're just in the car park of the Premium Outlet South. So we've done both, haven't we? We're further south, I think.
Further south, yeah. I think it's a little bit more quiet. So we are at Chili's. Luke's gone to get a table while I just parked the car. So yeah, we're going to go and get seated and hopefully have something to eat here. There you go.
We came to Chili's.
Yeah.
And we got the chips and salsa.
Chips and salsa, strawberry lemonade, Diet Coke, happy. What have you got? Burger. Look at that. And surprise, surprise, ribs. Perfectly with a strawberry lemonade.
Lovely meal in Chili's, didn't we?
Lovely.
They do a 2 for $22, so you get like a couple of drinks. No, you get your two mains and a starter.
Yep.
So we had shared chips and salsa and then ribs, and you saw it all, so.
It was good.
So we're now going to go back to Monte Carlo, drop the car off and go and sort our room out at the hotel. See you along the way. So we're coming down onto the strip. Let's see that Las Vegas sign, aren't we?
We are going to see the Las Vegas sign for the first time. see it.
There's the airport just there, plane's taking off. So the airport is so convenient for this trip. There it is, everyone. Famous Las Vegas sign. So this is why we tend to go in the morning, because there is a really big line right now.
That is a big line.
There it is. So it's not too far to walk from Mandalay Bay. So if you got the tram and went from there, it's not too far.
Not too far, no.
Little chapel there. Little Church of the West Chapel. If you come to Vegas to get married. The car's all dropped back. So all we do now is going to pop the key in this little drop box. We've got to carry all our Walmart. We bought this big Vegas bag to put all our Walmart stuff in. Here we go, a little drop box. All done.
Done.
There we go. I mentioned earlier that we had a disturbance last night.
We did have a disturbance last night, yeah. So they kindly moved us rooms, and this is the room that they've given us, which is a slight difference
Slightly.
in size, I would say.
Just a bit. So you come in and you've got the
Minibar type area.
minibar area, and you walk over and you've got just wall-to-wall windows of the strip.
Windows.
Look out there. Big TV here.
You've got like a living room area,
Yeah,
and then should we go through to
the desk.
you've got a desk
Just look,
area.
you can look at both ends of the strip. You can just look out that way, MGM Grand. And then that's the bed. Look at the bed. It's
Bed's
massive.
huge.
And then you've got another TV. And you've
Another
got
view.
amazing view of the strip.
So I can have this view and Luke can have the other view.
Yeah. Look at that. And then the bathroom. And I stress the word bathroom.
Yes.
Wow.
Big tub.
This is the same room that we actually had for our honeymoon.
We actually had this room for our honeymoon a couple of years ago. So
It's lovely. It's like, look at the size of that bath. Try and get it in perspective, like how big it is. It's like as wide as 2 baths. I think Rich should get in it.
Really?
Yeah, go on.
I think she will.
Just so we can see a size comparison.
It's a little bit of water in there when they've
Oh, okay.
cleaned, so
There he is.
yeah.
We'll leave
Big
him there.
enough.
Then you've got the toilet in this room here with phone,
With phone. And then you've got a shower.
which is
Big
basically a
shower.
whole room.
Yes. And then behind is just
TV,
the
mirror, and then the cleaning area. Or like the wardrobe and.
wardrobe area, yeah.
So yeah, very impressed. Mandarin Oriental have been really kind to us.
Very kind.
We got a few things from Walmart, didn't we?
Just a few.
We'll just show you a few quick things. You probably saw some in the shop.
This is like the candy section.
This is mainly Rich's section.
No, a few notable things. These are new, and you like those on the last trip.
We got those in Florida. They were lovely.
We got some birthday cake for Luke.
Yeah, these are really nice. These Fiber One bars. Cookie dough.
Cookie dough fibre ones.
Yeah, Rich is going to make a birthday cake.
Yep, with some frosting. Then we've got some strawberry milkshake Pop Tarts and the mug treats.
Betty Crocker is doing mug treats.
She's doing mug treats now.
These are our Easter eggs for today. Haven't tried them before. Marshmallow eggs.
Mm-hmm.
We'll show you what they're like.
Fritos. Would you like some Fritos? And we've got some sauces.
loves his barbecue
I
sauce.
love barbecue sauce. So I always pick up some barbecue sauce when we come to the States.
We love this ranch.
Yeah.
That's it, just some sun cream.
Just some sun cream.
So we've picked up some Easter eggs to try. 1 dozen. They were $1.
Oh, $1. A dozen for $1. If I can get them open. And that's what they look like. I thought they were going to be white for some reason.
Rich is going to try one. What is it? Marshmallow? Oh my god, it's all over your fingers.
Oh wow.
How is it?
It's okay. It's okay.
Thumbs up.